about the roads done and also the bows and so many other things that we did with more than 50 million.
Thank you. I've actually retrieved the date of that event. It was the 2nd of August 2023, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you. So then, when you are accused of not being able to work with leaders by the same mover of the motion, do you find some form of hypocrisy?
Yes, and also maybe it's being misled.
It's being misled. Thank you. So as of 2nd of August 2023, the mover of the motion thought that you're perfect and you're in good working relationship with at least all the MCAs.
Yes.
Thank you. Let's move to KM3.
Na nediri isipokuwa tu changes tu kidogo na tumonia na kwa na engineer ikabuirwa kinya andro atare ndiri omira rweru kamomora rwete anjiraira tukwirwa ara kukekirwa karabati isa sawa ena rweru to kuyagorwo tuina obichi wa murire public works.
Thank you. Again, you're seen launching a project, yes. A dam specifically. Which ward is that?
That is Mudhara ward, and the one with the document is the area MCA, Emorional Kawira, reading the developments, including the dam that costed us 39 million in his own ward.
Are you able to recall the date when you launched this particular dam at Mudhara?
I think it's not even 3 months ago.
Less than 3 months ago?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, I will move on to the second issue, which still touches on your relationship with members of County Assembly in respect to projects and Okolea. Let us play the video KMV20.
MC watu mawera atukure na maromba. Ningireni MC watu mawera mbeke bila kuno. Na trombeni. Ego mwadhani mutura moyo wora wombere ndine eguru wombera bila biona wana bila biona kwa turaja muthenya mbere ya mezo ya kumuthenya jo na arwa.
Tuyamwe na ndina hapo ndangu na ndeja na njeko na kanisa kwa mchokeka ndeibweka na mbona unalwa tena kirauni kile ndina kirauni kama amiu henu ndina kirauni ya kanisa Bwana sifiwe. Itobiria ukuona kieni negeki kinyama ikiele nkwani nayo kinyanjukwele tukinyete kinyangalele yandeka kinye itobire byonje tukaeja na buti kingoteleke zikari kiryo inkwenda gushokeria ashore bakwa
pause the video. You are making certain remarks, and before we go to the remarks, we have also seen the leader of majority again